Yes, dear children, good morning. In continuation of our chapter Semiconductor Devices, today we are going to see one new article, that is the electrical conductivity. Electrical conductivity. Electrical conductivity of extrinsic semiconductor. That we are going to learn today, my dear children. Here you can see we are taking here a semiconductor. Say here is a semiconductor whose length is L and area of cross section. You know that if the length of the semiconductor is L and area of cross section, this is called area of cross section. This is called area of cross section. This is A. L and A, write down. The length L, area of cross section A. If we are connecting them with an external electric field here in this manner, having electron density Ne, number of hole density and H, and V with the potential difference applied over here. V is the potential difference on this semiconductor. Total number of electrons and holes are like this. So dear children, this is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal. So electrons which are available in this semiconductor, which will move in this direction towards the positive terminal of the battery, while that of holes which are available here will move towards the negative terminal of the battery, and current will flow. Say here is I. We are going to see how electrical conductivity of extrinsic semiconductor occurs. The magnitude of the electric field here would be E barabar V by L. This is our equation number 1. This is the electric field available here. Due to this electric field, both electrons and holes, due to this electric field here, both electrons and holes moving in opposite direction, you can see with a drift velocity, say VE and VH respectively, the velocity of the electrons and holes, say VE and VH respectively, and constitute a current, say electronic current IE and hole current IH. So the total current here would be I barabar IE plus IH. IE plus IH. Here you can see this is the total current here. Say this is our equation number 2. We have seen the formula for the current. Electrons in the conduction band and holes in the valence band. Electrons in conduction band and holes in valence band are moving randomly like electrons in metal. So I know the formula of I that we have learned earlier. That is I is equal to N A E V D. हम सेकंड चैप्टर में पढ़ चुके हैं ये फॉर्मूला. Ohm's law derivation जो हमने किया था, that formula we are going to use here. So I can write here IE and IH accordingly. With the help of this formula, you can write IE is equal to NE AEVH and IH is equal to NH AEVH. This is our equation number 3 and this is our equation number 4. This is the electronic current and hole current available here. So the total current would be I comes out to be, दोनों को जोड़ लीजिए, AE कॉमन ले लीजिए, तो AE is common and is our equation number 5. This is the total current here. Okay, so you can write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These equations are there. Now I हमारे पास आ गया total current. I by A, you can write here I by A. Here we can see that I by A with the help of this equation, A को नीचे ले लीजिए, E comes out to be आ गया NEVE plus NHVH. This is I by A. Okay. Now this is I by A. Let R be the resistance of a semiconductor. So I can write here rho is equal to R A by L. I by A ये ध्यान रखना. Here E common ले लिया. We are getting here. Now E by rho. What is this? तो आपकी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है ये और इस इक्वेशन दोनों को डिवाइड करिए. Say this is our equation number 6. I by A आ गया आपके, E by rho आ गया आपके पास, V by L divided by rho की जगह रखिए R A by L. L से कट जाएगा V by R into A. V by R is equal to I. और ये I by A यहाँ रखिए, देखिए ये. This is I by A here. I by A comes out to be, दोनों को इक्वल कर दीजिए तो आ जाएगा E by rho that is equal to E into NEVE plus NHVH. Yeah, this is our equation जो भी मान लीजिए आप. So this is the value of E by rho comes out here. Now dear children, what is mobility? We have learned earlier the mobility of an electron is the drift velocity per unit electric field. Mobility को हम पढ़ चुके हैं, drift velocity per unit electric field. Because we know that mobility is drift velocity per unit electric field if there is no electric field applied. अगर हम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लगाएंगे ही नहीं तो ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी जीरो हो जाएगी. If there is no electric field, then drift velocity would be zero. So mobility of electrons I can write mu E is equal to V by E. That formula we know very well. Similarly, mu H that is equal to VH by E. Yeah. This is mu E and mu H. ये आ जाएगा बच्चों VE is equal to mu E into E और VH is equal to mu H into E. ये याद रख दीजिए. What they put here, VE and VH के जो मान वैल्यूज हैं put it here. So we are getting here E by rho. ये जो बच्चों वैल्यू है यहाँ पर, ये दोनों वैल्यू आप यहाँ रख दीजिए और E कॉमन ले लीजिए तो आ जाएगा यहाँ पर E N E V की जगह रखिए mu E into E प्लस N H और VH की जगह रखिए mu H into E. This is E में you take common तो ये आ जाएगा N is equal to N E mu E plus N H mu H E. This is the value of E by rho. Write down. Here you can write down E by rho comes out to be this one. E से E cancel हो गया. Here it is E by rho. ये आ गया 1 by rho is equal to E N E mu E plus N H mu H. This is 1 by rho. This is the equation here 1 by rho. इसी का उल्टा कर देंगे तो इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी आ जाएगी. This is sigma is equal to 1 by rho E into N E mu E plus N H mu H. Yeah. See that this is the electrical conductivity is the reciprocal of the resistivity. ये resistivity है बच्चों 1 by rho. So write down what you are observing from this equation. So both this equation, say your equation number 7 and 8. Here, see your equation number 7 and 8. इसको 7 मान लीजिएगा. This is 7 and this is equation number 8. So with the help of these two equations, conductivity and resistivity of a semiconductor depends upon the electron and hole number of densities, their mobilities. अगर Ne or NH increase with the rise in temperature, number density of electrons and number density of holes increases with the rise in temperature. Ne and NH rises with temperature. Then conductivity of semiconductor increases. Then conductivity of the semiconductor increases. So, the conductivity of the semiconductor increases with the rise in temperature and resistivity decreases. Remember these values? Resistivity decreases with the rise in temperature and conductivity increases. Okay? Now, so this is the way how the conductivity changes. Now, we are going to see, उतार लीजिए पहले इसको. Then we are going to see another very very important part, 5 marks question in CBSE exam, p-n junction, that we are going to learn. हमने p टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर्स पढ़े हैं, n टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर्स पढ़े हैं. अब दोनों को मिक्सिंग करेंगे और एक नई डिवाइस बनाएंगे हम, that is called p-n junction. p-n junction, that we are going to learn here. Now my dear children, what is that? When a p-type semiconductor crystal is brought in close contact with the n-type semiconductor, p-type semiconductor and n-type semiconductor को in close contact में लाइए, both are in close contact, then the resulting arrangement जो कहलाएगा, that is called p-n junction. That is called p-n junction, or it may called p-n junction diode. अभी बताएंगे what is diode. p-n junction diode. We know very well in a p-type semiconductor, the number of majority charge carriers is holes, and in n-type semiconductor, the number of majority charge carriers is electrons. Remember it. So in p-type semiconductor, the holes are the majority charge carriers and electrons are the minority charge carriers. Holes are majority charge carriers, electrons are the minority charge carriers. And in n-type semiconductor, electrons are the majority charge carriers and holes are the minority charge carriers. So these are the majority and minority charge carriers available in these type of semiconductors. So how the formation of p-n junction occurs, we are going to see. The formation of p-n junction. Here we are going to see the formation of p-n junction. Here, formation of p-n junction. Listen very carefully. Children, to make a p-n junction, the n-type and p-type silicon crystals are cut into thin slices. They are cut into thin slices. जैसे ब्रेड होती है वैसे thin slice, पतले पतले layers. They are cut into a thin slices. उसको हम कहेंगे wafers. They are called wafers. N-type semiconductor and P-type semiconductors are cut in a thin slices. That thin slices are called wafers. Here, if on a wafer of N-type, silicon and aluminum foil is placed, N-type semiconductor की वेपर से उसके हम aluminum film is placed and heated to a high temperature, N-type semiconductor की स्लाइस लेकर के एल्यूमिनियम के साथ उसको हीट करेंगे up to a temperature around 580 degrees centigrade. Up to a temperature around 580 degrees centigrade, aluminum diffuses into silicon. This semiconductor. Similarly, a p-type semiconductor is formed on an n-type semiconductor. P के contact में p-type semiconductor लेके आएंगे. Then both are in contact. And such a formation of p region on n region is called p-n junction. N-type semiconductor लीजिए, सिलिकॉन के साथ डिफ्यूज कराइए गर्म करके, then in contact p-type semiconductor को उसके पास ले आइए, तो जो नई डिवाइस बनेगी that is called p-n junction. This is the one way. Another way to make a p-n junction is a diffusion technique. Another way to make a p-n junction is diffusion technique. Diffusion of phosphorus into a p-type semiconductor and take n-type semiconductor near to it. So these are the two ways by which we can prepare p-n junction. So it's a one mark question. How the formation of p-n junction occurs? So only you can write diffusion technique. Now, in this p-n junction, two important terms are there. Today we are going to discuss that. What is that term? That is deflection layer and barrier potential. Now, what do you mean by deflection layer? What do you mean by? Write down two terms we are going to discuss. Deflection region, क्या deflection layer भी कह सकते हैं, deflection region, and the second term barrier electric field. Barrier electric field that we are going to discuss. So two important process occurs during the formation of p-n junction. जब हम p-n junction बनाते हैं तो दो मेन बातें आती है. During the formation of p-n junction, two things comes are in our mind. First is diffusion and second one is drift. What is that we are going to clear here? We know very well in n-type semiconductor majority charge carries electrons, minority charge carries holes. In p-type semiconductor, holes are the majority charge carriers and electrons are the minority charge carriers. ध्यान रखिएगा आप ये यहाँ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो बच्चों यहाँ पर let us see, this is our p-n junction. Here the site is called P and here is the site called N. In a p-type semiconductor, holes are majority charge carriers, but some electrons are there. These are the holes. In n-type semiconductors, electrons are the majority charge carriers, but some holes are there. Now, ये जो बीच में लेयर बनेगी मैंने बताऊंगा अभी आपको ये कैसे बनती है, किस प्रकार से लेयर बनती है, और ये लेयर कहलाएगी डिफ्लेक्शन लेयर. Deflection layer that we are going to discuss. Draw this figure. Here is the p-type semiconductor and here is the n-type semiconductor. So during the formation of p-n junction, how it works, let us we are going to see. The two important terms, that is diffusion and drifts are coming. What is that? Let us see. When p-n junction is formed due to the difference in concentration of charge carrier in n-type semiconductor and p-type semiconductor, एक में इलेक्ट्रॉन ज्यादा है और एक में होल्स ज्यादा है, तो डिफरेंस इन चार्ज कैरियर्स इन द टू रीजन ऑफ p-n junction, इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम n रीजन, इधर से electrons will move here. Electrons from the n region diffuse through the junction into the p region. Electrons इधर move करेंगे क्योंकि यह ज्यादा है. And holes from p region into n region. So the motion of charge carrier जब इलेक्ट्रॉन n region से p region की तरफ जाएंगे, होल्स p region से n region की तरफ जाएंगे, तो डिफ्यूजन होगा और डिफ्यूजन करंट प्रोड्यूस होगी. तो लिखो यहां पर मोशन ऑफ चार्ज कैरियर्स, राइट डाउन मोशन ऑफ चार्ज कैरियर्स, लिखिए मोशन ऑफ चार्ज कैरियर्स, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्रॉम n साइड टू p साइड and holes from p side to n side, diffusion occurs. So the motion of charge carriers gives rise to diffusion current across the junction. That will give diffusion current. When an electron diffuses from n region to p region, जब इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर से इधर आएंगे n region to p region, it leaves behind an ionized donor atom. जैसे इलेक्ट्रॉन यहां पर आएंगे n region से p region में, तो यहां पर आयोनाइज्ड डोनर एटम, ये जो भी होल्स पड़े हुए यहां पर ये कहलाएंगे आयोनाइज्ड डोनर एटम. तो आयोनाइज्ड डोनर एटम here in n region having positive charge, ये जितने भी दिख रहे हैं आपको, ये कहलाएंगे आयोनाइज्ड डोनर एटम having positive charge which is immobile. So diffusion of electrons continues from n region to p region. Diffusion of electrons continues from n region to p region. More positively charged donor atoms are created in n region, resulting a layer of positive charge. ये layer of positive charge will create here. जितने इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर जाएंगे, तो layer of positive charge create here. See this. और ये कहलाता बच्चों पॉजिटिव स्पेस चार्ज रीजन. दिस इज कॉल्ड पॉजिटिव स्पेस चार्ज रीजन. ये इधर लेयर क्रिएट हो गई है जब इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर मूव करेंगे. सिमिलरली अब फ्रॉम पी साइड से होल जा रहे हैं. सिमिलरली फ्रॉम पी साइड होल डिफ्यूजेस फ्रॉम पी रीजन टू एन रीजन. It leaves behind an ionized acceptor atom. It leaves behind ionized acceptor atom. Ionized acceptor atom like this. Ionized acceptor atom will create here. तो जितने ज्यादा होल इधर जाएंगे, ionized acceptor atom will create over there, and in a region These are the immobile ions. Here, in this manner. So diffusion of holes continuous from P region to N region. More negatively charged acceptor atoms are created. More negatively acceptor atoms are created. So a layer of negative charge, that is called negative charge space region. ये कहलाएगा बच्चों, ये तो पॉजिटिव चार्ज होगी, ये कहलाएगी नेगेटिव चार्ज. नेगेटिव चार्ज स्पेस रीजन. तो इधर बच्चों पॉजिटिव हो गया, इधर नेगेटिव हो गया. तो स्पेस चार्ज रीजन ऑन बोथ द साइड ऑफ पी एन जंक्शन व्हिच हैव इमोबाइल आयंस. इन बोथ द साइड, एक तरफ पॉजिटिव हो गया और एक तरफ नेगेटिव हो गया. और इमोबाइल आयंस, दिस इज कॉल्ड डिफ्लेक्शन रीजन और डिफ्लेक्शन लेयर. ये जो बीच में बना हुआ है आपके ये, दिस इज कॉल्ड डिफ्लेक्शन रीजन और डिफ्लेक्शन लेयर. ये ऐसी होती है बच्चों इन नो मैन लैंड ऑन अ बॉर्डर. जैसे कि मूवमेंट नहीं कर रहा है, इन नो मैन लैंड ऑन अ बॉर्डर, लाइक दैट ये बिहेव करेगी. तो थिकनेस ऑफ द डिफ्लेक्शन रीजन इज ऑफ द ऑर्डर ऑफ 1/10 of micrometer. 1/10 into 10⁻⁻⁶. इतनी पतली लेयर होती है बच्चों. लिख लो, the thickness of a deflection region is in micrometer. Is in micrometer. So due to this positive space charge region on n side and negative space charge region on p side, an electric field is set up. यहां पर बच्चों एक इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड सेटअप होगा एंड फिक्टिशियस बैटरी विल डेवलप. ये पॉजिटिव, ये पॉजिटिव, ये नेगेटिव, ये नेगेटिव. ये ड्यू टू दिस इमोबाइल आयन, ए पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव, इसकी वजह से जो पोटेंशियल डेवलप होगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड बैरियर पोटेंशियल. This is called barrier potential. So due to this two region, electric field is set up across the junction from positive charge towards negative charge. और ये कहलाता है बच्चों fictitious battery. It is a fictitious battery across PN junction with its positive terminal to N region and negative terminal to the P region. और ये जो बच्चों इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डेवलप हो रहा है, set is called potential barrier. This electric field setup here is called potential barrier at the junction. So due to this electric field, electron on p side of the junction move to n side and holes from n side of the junction moves to a p side of the junction. अब क्या होगा? अब जो थोड़े बहुत इलेक्ट्रॉन्स p साइड पर हैं और थोड़े बहुत होल्स जो n साइड में हैं, they will move. So the motion of these charge carriers due to this electric field is called drift. उसको क्या बोलेंगे बच्चों? drift. जो कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स p साइड में पड़े हुए हैं, कुछ होल्स जो n साइड में पड़े हैं, they want to move due to this battery. Due to this battery, तो लिखो motion of these charge carriers. लिखो motion of these charge carriers means electrons from p side and holes from n side want to move. They want to move, but this is called drift. As a result of it, drift current starts, which is opposite in direction of diffusion current. Diffusion current अगर इधर है तो drift current इधर होगी. Both are in opposite direction. These are the two important terms that we discussed today. Diffusion current due to the majority charge carriers, drift current due to the minority charge carriers. You समझ लीजिए आप इसको. So this is that. Okay. The width of the deflection layer and the magnitude of the barrier potential depends on the nature of semiconductor. ये जो बच्चों barrier potential है, इसको हम इस ढंग से बना सकते हैं यहाँ पर. ये Here, this is called barrier potential VB. ये जो लेंथ है उसको मैंने ये ऐसे बना दिया है. This is called barrier potential. ये बहुत ही पतली लेयर है, ध्यान रखना. For at room temperature, barrier potential for germanium. At room temperature, barrier potential for germanium is only 0.7 volt होता है. And 0.3 volt for germanium and 0.7 volt for silicon. ये सिलिकॉन का है. और 0.3 volt for germanium. This is the barrier potential. तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कितना जनरेट हो जाएगा? अगर बैरियर पोटेंशियल ये है हमारे पास और जर्मेनियम एंड सिलिकॉन, तो आई कैन राइट हियर दिस इज द बैरियर पोटेंशियल. तो व्हाट इज द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड हियर? E बराबर V by D. V is 0.7 और मैंने बताया था लेंथ ऑफ द डिफ्लेक्शन लेयर इज इन माइक्रोमीटर. कितना आ गया? 0.7 डिवाइडेड बाय 10⁻⁻⁶. तो लगभग बच्चों 7 into 10⁵ volt per meter. This has huge amount of electric field is generated with the help of this layer only. It is very high. Okay, this is all about today. How the PN junction can work. Is that clear? Okay, bye. Yes. Any question then ask. Send me attendance. Okay, Dushyant is there. Pulkit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Bye. कल हम एक बहुत इसी कंटिन्यूशन में चलेंगे. In continuation of PN junction diode characteristics, that practical also in our syllabus.
Okay, sir.